Good morning, everyone. Chris Eckert here, standing in front of my new San Mateo office. Wanted to tell all of you that I'm really looking forward to seeing you at my new Keller Williams San Mateo office party on Thursday night, this Thursday night, 6 to 8 p.m. Should be a really good time. It's going to be professionally catered. We've asked the caterer to do a March Madness basketball theme, so there should be some good food there. Basketball cupcakes, got a bunch of different food, beer and wine. We've got an arcade-style basketball hoop set up, so drink a little wine, eat a little food, drink a little beer, shoot a few hoops. Should be a good time. 6 to 8 p.m., as I said, this coming Thursday, and parking downtown San Mateo on the streets is free after 6 p.m., so you can look for a parking space on the street. Or if you kind of look behind me here, behind that building there, actually, at 2nd and El Camino, there's a parking garage there that I believe is free to the public after 6 p.m., so should be plenty of parking. Definitely look forward to seeing you here this Thursday night. Talk to you later.